It is 9 a.m. and Ndagi is set to go make ends meet with his new job. Although a fisherman, Ndagi's new job is away from the net. It is to cross people in his wooden canoe across the flooded roads to their houses or camps. As he paddles through, each trip takes him through flooded houses rendered uninhabitable by the flood. Deep in the heart of the water is an oasis where some locals have made camp. With makeshift thatch huts, they have created a small community of campers as they await the rage of the water to come from their villages. As the river Niger and Benue gives way to the water, the confluent city Lokoja is bathed in this large pool of raging water, with shops and business places soaking in the water. But the flood that has created a new source of livelihood for Ndagi is the same flood that has taken the source of livelihood so many more and left them frustrated. Apart from those displaced from their homes by the flood, more than 20 kilometers away from Lokoja, the flood wreaks even more havoc. Here, the flood takes over the road, leaving many stranded. This road leads to Abuja and is the access route through Kogi state to several states in the southeast, the southwest, the south-south, and the north. But these people are held in a gridlock. They have been on the road for days.
7 days, just from Lokoja to Abuja, we never reached 7 days. Very, very bad.
Some have been held up here for 3 days, others 4 days, and some have been on the road for 7 days on journeys that usually would take a maximum of 24 hours.
So that is the 4 days that they spent for here now. As they see me now, I get headache now because of the sun that they beat me inside. We are called for the Ekiti state. To Meduguri. No hope, no anything.
They are tired, frustrated, and some even broke, having spent all they had.
I don't now. I don't know how to do.
So high has the water come that it has covered nearly 80% of the height of the concrete pillars of this bridge, the Murtala Muhammad Bridge, known to the locals as Jamata Bridge. As over 1,000 trucks queue up in this gridlock, it becomes clear that intervention must be far-reaching. If the water has come to this level on this bridge, caution warns that since natural disasters are unpredictable, chances are that someday flood could cover the bridge.
We have 1 kilometer bridge across River Niger. We call it Murtala Muhammad Bridge. That road was constructed, that particular bridge was constructed under General Murtala Muhammad of blessed memory, the former head of state, in 1976. That particular bridge is having serious problem. If anything should happen to Murtala Muhammad Bridge, the north and south will have been completely cut off. Only one lane was resurfaced, That particular lane that was also taken out is already giving way. Just months ago. The second one had been left completely abandoned. Heavy trucks are already on the bridge as we speak now. For weeks now, heavy trucks are on the bridge, further compromising the integrity of that bridge. So only God knows what will happen, in the very few months to come if nothing really is done to that particular bridge.
This makes a strong case for a visionary intervention by the federal government that will forestall any such from happening. If water crossing the road has caused this much damage, now imagine what damage it will cause if it sweeps over the bridge. This is important not to the people of Kogi State per se, but to Nigeria, considering the economic value Kogi State has, to Nigeria being the link between the north and the south, connecting more states than any other state in Nigeria.